Shape 1 Extensions. Now that you know this shape, it's time to learn a trick that a lot of guitarists use when playing solos. So, we have the regular shape that looks like this. But what if you want to solo up and down the neck more? That's where extensions become very useful, as they open up loads of new ways for you to play licks and riffs. Looking closer, you can see that we have two extensions in this shape. One happens on the thicker strings right here, and the other on the thinner strings right here. So instead of playing these notes, you move your index finger 2 frets down and play these 4 notes. And when looking at the second extension, instead of playing these notes, you played these. Now, let's play through this slowly, starting with the first extension on the thicker strings. Your index finger starts 2 frets down, and together with your ring finger, you play these 4 notes. Before sliding your ring finger from here to here. You're now back in the regular shape on the 4th and 3rd strings, so you play these notes. Then, from the 3rd string, you slide your ring finger from here to here. Now we're in the second part of the extension. From here, it looks a bit different. So, from the 3rd string, you move your index finger to this fret of the 2nd string right here. And then you can play the rest of the notes using your ring and index fingers, like this. When playing back through the shape, you do the exact same thing. By doing a slide right here, you're back in the regular shape. Once you get to this position, you can do another slide, and you're back at the first part of the extension. Play the final few notes and end on the root note with your ring finger. Let's play it one more time. The reason guitar players use this extended shape is that it opens up a bunch of new ways to play licks and riffs. Here's an example of playing a lick in only one shape. Playing the lick this way is not wrong, but by using the extended shape, it becomes a lot smoother, like this. Another great thing about this extension is that you only need to use your index finger and ring finger for the entire shape, so playing gets easier as you don't need to use your pinky finger. In the following lessons, we'll start practicing this extension in a slower tempo to really learn it through muscle memory before gradually building up speed. Good luck!